By interacting with a lot of organizations that are working in the space of active citizenship, I think what we have learned is that active citizenship doesn't have to be something loud and something agitational all the time. It is the small acts of change that people at their own level, in their own capacity do.
मेरे लिए एक्टिव सिटीजनशिप यही है कि हम संवैधानिक जो मूल्य हैं उनको हम अपने जीवन में उतार पाएं, विजनरी लीडर के रूप में भी और एक डूअर के रूप में भी साथ में काम किया जा सके.
The reason we do these gatherings of our portfolios is that first we learn from you of whether we are on the right track, are we doing what is needed in the larger Samaj. So hope that it serves as a platform for you all to be inspired by each other.
Here we have people from all over India who are doing active citizenship in various fields, and what I'm trying to show them is that often on your own street there are problems that you see every day and have given up ever trying to fix them. We have this culture of saying who will do the work, but when you do it yourself, you see what happens.
So what we're doing is we're taking all of our partners alongside with us on this literally a journey. We're on a train fostering a sense of both personal and shared energy.
So when we come to these events and we get to meet a lot of other organizations who are working on active citizenship or justice or similar subjects and talk about our projects, so they can use our projects and their use also helps us.
In seeing the diversity of experiences that people have in their different domains, in their different cities, is something which is extremely helpful.
But sometimes this space of active citizenship does not get that much attention and power. So this gathering is just a very nice reassurance that there are a lot of people working in a lot of different ways and it's not a lonely journey.
The team and I are inspired every day to keep doing what we can do because you keep doing what you do. If there was not the thriving civil society in India, there could not be the kind of philanthropy that some of us try to do. There are people who are ready to help civil society organizations to do fundraising. So your storytelling to attract those kind of volunteers is going to be very important.
One thing that we discussed quite a bit was the whole point of identity, how young people are looking for an identity, which is also ever evolving.
How do you remove active citizenship and calling it just as a free volunteering service? How does this become a way for a young person to generate income, which also solves for unemployability?
An inspiring NGO is also where community representation goes beyond tokenization.
Active citizens can decide the fate of a society, a community or a nation, and actually that's all that has ever decided it.
This kind of, human energy and really feeling revived, feeling like you can stay the course, of course having more ideas and feeling much more inspired. I think that is the work of gatherings and conferences, and that's the power of bringing people together.